So when you think about her and her sort of relationship to this idea of liking girls, how do they feel about it?
Alice is quite happy with the fact that she likes girls.
Right, brilliant. Can we make it absolute delight and joy and pleasure?
Yeah.
So the sharing of this is all fun. Mm-hmm. So even though when you're speaking to him, there are things that you're saying that sort of sound dismissive and sort of might be phrased in that way because of the things that you kind of want him to do. But let's make it a celebration.
Okay.
So it's a declaration of how brilliant this is and how life-affirming this is, and just the release and the fun of just being able to sort of share it and say it. Okay? Yeah. So even though that might seem to contradict some of the lines, doesn't matter. It's celebration all the way through.
Yeah.
Great. Okay. 3, 2, 1, action.
I was 9 years old at a birthday party at a friend's house. She had an older sister. I felt butterflies. And I didn't know why at first. I just looked at her, this girl. She was wearing a leotard. It was a fancy dress. She was a cat. And I just knew that there was something going on, and I didn't know what. And then, all at once, it hit me, and I realized, oh God, I like girls. And I waited for it to go away. I tried really hard to make it go away, and it didn't. And even when I was going out with boys, even when I went out with Josh, I couldn't say it, but I knew deep down that I like girls. I like girls. I like girls. I like girls, and I've always liked girls, and I still like girls, so who are you to tell me that I don't? When I've accepted everything that you've said to me. You want to be a man? Fine. You need to change your name? All right then. You want to wear these clothes and lift these weights? Whatever. I've accepted that because it's what you want, what you need, who you are. Fine. And I've tried to change. I've tried so hard to change, but there are just some things that I can't change. Some things that I don't want to change because they're part of who I am, and why is that less important? Why do I just have to stand aside and deny all that because you're going on your own personal journey? I want you to be happy. I want you to get what you want. But what you want is to kill the person that I love and replace her with someone I don't. Someone I can't. Because I'm gay. You want to be a man, Adrian? You want to be a man? Fine. But I like girls.